how you can create an Outlook account. So if you don't know, Outlook is basically an extension for Microsoft's application, so you can access all of Microsoft's apps using your account. First, what you want to do is go on your browser and search for Outlook login, and you will see this web page, and you can click on the first link that says Outlook login Microsoft 365. If you already have an account, you can directly sign in from here, but if you are new to this page and want to create an account, click here that says create a free account, and it will open up a new tab, and here you will have to enter your new email or your new Outlook mail. So I'm just going to enter it and click on next. If your Outlook mail is not unique, then it will ask you to enter it again, so make sure that you enter a unique Outlook mail. So from here you can create a password, so I'm just going to enter a password right here. After you've entered your password, it will ask you for your name, so just enter your name and then enter. You can enter your date of birth, your country, region, and everything. You can choose your date of birth right here and enter. Then it will ask you to complete a CAPTCHA. So to solve this puzzle, you can use this. So you need to rotate it to this angle and submit, and it will say the verification is complete. Now you can stay signed in. So once you click on OK, it will open up your Outlook account, and that's how you can easily create a new Outlook mail. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.